Every business operates with one common challenge. That is the challenge of limited resources. There's limited time, limited money, and limited workforce as well. Invest in the wrong place and you could miss out on huge opportunities. Get it right and you pave the way for sustainable growth. This is a critical question for all businesses. And today I will introduce you to a tool that helps companies answer this very question. I am talking about the BCG Matrix. Developed in 1968 by Bruce Henderson, founder of the Boston Consulting Group, this tool, also known as a growth share matrix, is like a compass for businesses. It helps one smartly allocate resources across various products and brands. It does this by focusing on two key factors. One, how fast the market is growing, and two, how much of that market does the product own. Let's break those down. Think of market growth as the speedometer of an industry. It measures how fast the market for a particular product or business is expanding. High market growth indicates a lot of potential for profits, but it also usually means more competition and higher investment needs. On the flip side, low market growth means the industry is stable or slowing down, which might require a different strategy. The next is relative market share. It tells you how much of the total market you own compared to your competitors. A high relative market share generally means you're the dominant player, giving you a competitive advantage like economies of scale. Low relative market share, on the other hand, means you're fighting for a spot in the crowd. Now, it's important to note that the BCG matrix runs on certain assumptions, two of the most critical ones being: number one, it assumes that more market share means more power. If you own a bigger chunk of the market than your competitors, you are in a stronger position to make more profits and grow even more. Number two, it assumes that decisions about where to allocate resources can be made using only two factors: market growth rate and relative market share. This means it doesn't take into account other important factors like customer loyalty, brand strength, or technological advancements. So, how does the BCG matrix actually work? By combining these two factors, market growth and relative market share, and plotting them on a simple 2 by 2 grid, we get a 4 distinct quadrants referred to as stars, question marks, cash cows, and dogs. And these are not just any quadrants. Each one represents a different type of product with a unique strategic role. Let's meet them, shall we? Hey there, I'm the star, the high flyer, the one everyone's watching. I'm in a market that's booming, growing at a lightning speed, and I am leading the pack with a dominant market share. Think of a cutting edge tech startup in the AI revolution. That's me. The market is exploding, and I'm right at the forefront, capturing attention as well as the market share. I'm not just profitable, I'm shaping the future. They say I'm the next big thing, and well, they are not wrong. Your job? Keep feeding me resources to maintain my position. Success here ensures your company stays relevant and ahead of the curve. Invest in me, and I'll help you conquer new frontiers.
I'm the question mark, the one with untapped potential. I'm in a fast growing market full of promise, but I haven't quite made the mark yet. My market share is still very small compared to the big players. I'm like the new kid on the block trying to make a name for myself. I've got the recipe for success, just need to get people to try it. With the right strategy and a bit of investment, I could become the next big thing, a future star. The question is, will you bet on me and help me reach my full potential? Or will you focus your energy somewhere else? Give me a chance, I might just surprise you.
I'm the cash cow, the reliable backbone of your business. I'm in a mature, stable market and I hold a commanding market share. Think of me as the prime piece of real estate in a major city or a successful franchisee outlet in a prime location. I might not be making headlines, but I consistently deliver strong, steady returns. I've already proven myself. I'm like that trusty ATM that never lets you down. Always there, always dispensing cash.
I do not need huge investments, but I am the engine that funds your operations and fuels your riskier ventures. Protect me, nurture me wisely, but do not overspend. I've already done my heavy lifting. And now I provide the stability you need. Count on me to keep the lights on and the profits flowing. I'm the dog, the seasoned veteran who has seen better days. I'm in a slow growth market and my market share is, well, modest. I might not be the exciting one anymore, but I still have value. Think of me as a reliable old family car that you use for your everyday needs or an old tailor shop on your street that does the alterations perfectly. I was once a top performer, dependable, and got you where you needed to go, right? Now I might be outdated and require more upkeep. I may not be winning races, but I've got a lot of stories to tell, and I still get you from A to B. While I might still serve a purpose, keeping me around could mean missing out on newer, more promising opportunities. It's a tough call, but sometimes saying goodbye to the old makes way for the new, freeing up resources for a brighter future.